What happens when a company decides to issue new shares? Typically, the existing shareholders aren't too happy about it. And that's exactly what happened today. Sana Biotechnology, I've been shareholder and holding a couple of LEAPS for a while now. They needed to raise money today, I suppose, and what happened? They issued new shares, or they discussed issuing new shares, and as a result, the price of the stock tanked by 30% today. Maybe I'm a glutton for punishment, maybe I'm a fool, but I took advantage of the situation and bought a couple of additional LEAPS for the company because the company has apparently a cure for type 1 diabetes. As a person that has that disease, I take it seriously and decided to, take advantage of the possibility of a cure. So I'm in, and I bought shares, and I bought those additional calls. At the end of the day, though, my portfolio ended down 0.75% to end the day at $130,650. And that's just what happened. As I said, I bought a couple of additional calls for the Sana. Paid a lot less than I did previously because, the stock's down 30% in a day. It's upset the shareholders. They're still waiting on earnings report today. I'm not expecting much because, they're not profitable yet. But I'm in it for the long term, and the LEAPS that I bought don't expire until January 2027. So there's a runway there, and I'm accepting that I'm not going to see an instant turnaround on that. As far as what performed poorly for me today, what dragged me down, it was call LEAPS that I have for AST SpaceMobile, Meta, Leap, and Leap for ARM. Those three were responsible for a large portion of the drawdown that I had today. As far as what gave me buoyancy, Apple, Leap, $250 call for Apple that expires in January 2027. That was positive. As well as a call for Pinterest, $30 call for Pinterest that doesn't expire until January 2027 as well. So those were what prevented my portfolio from looking worse today. And as I said, ended the day at $130,650 thereabouts, which was worse than if I had just been strictly invested in the S&P 500. But as I've said before, holding LEAPS and calls and options is like riding the escalator up or taking the stairs up and the elevator down. And today was an elevator down day. It is what it is. But at least I took advantage of the turmoil with Sana. I believe it's going to be positive long term. And time will tell. That's what happened today. Hope you had a good trading session. Tell me, were there any moves that you made today? I'd love to know. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.